Relax your mind and let your conscience be free. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. All right, another problem with the brick. Got some gaps in the mortar and they have to be filled in. Guess what, guys? I've never done any type of tuck pointing in my life. Don't know what I'm doing. Did some research. You know I did. I'll do the best I can. It's going to be a small job. Guess I'll figure it out. Okay, got my grout bag. All the supplies I need. Sprayer, bucket, water bucket, everything. Bonding agent, everything. Have to do this side too. The gaps are everywhere and they're too noticeable. So something has to be done. This side has to be the worst. That gap is the biggest. I'm sure some bees have made it into a home. They'll be trapped in there until the day they die. What do we have here? Got my water bucket. Be using this to mix the mortar mix. And the color here, hope it's the right one. Bonding agent. I'm ready, guys. If starting off on the wrong foot was a person, I put too much water in the water bucket, so I had to put the mix in a bigger bucket. So I'm mixing it by hand now. You know I'll bring out the big gun soon. You know, it's nothing like learning on the fly. Nothing like it. Nothing like it in the world. All right, got my mixing paddle, got my bucket. You know I got the rigid, so I'm ready to go to work. I'll get this done. It's now or never, guys. No retreat, no surrender. Do what I have to do. Figure this thing out together. At the very least, you'll learn how not to do something. So I guess I'll put some of the mix in the bag here. Okay, like so. No problem. Pretty easy so far. They say when you're using the grout bag, it's like you're baking a cake. I have absolutely no experience in baking a cake. The closest to it would be when my kid was very little. She's gone through a couple easy bake ovens, stuff like that. So that's the extent of my expertise. So far, so good. It's not difficult. Oh, almost forgot. I poured bonding agent in the mix. Now, how much bonding agent? Not exactly sure. I guessed it. I didn't really have any type of directions to go by, so I guessed it. Also, I sprayed the brick with water to ensure that the mix would bond well with the brick. Keep that in mind, guys. So what's been going on in the world? I heard President Obama's former chef drowned. Interesting. You know, a few years ago, another former chef drowned too. Let me ask you guys this. And all the people you've met in your lifetime, it's probably hundreds, thousands. How many times in your life have you heard of, or at least the people who have died, how many times have you heard of two people that you met in your lifetime dying by drowning? Listen, just hear me out, okay? Just give me a chance. Hear me out. So let's say you run into an old friend from 20 years ago, okay? And you guys start talking about the old days and all the people that you knew and hung out with. And then you ask, well, how's John? Well, John died. He drowned. Okay. Well, what about Steve? Well, Steve died too. How did Steve die? Well, he drowned too. There's a great book out, 700 pages. It's called The Plot to Kill King by William Peppers. He's also the King family lawyer. He investigated the assassination of Dr. King. He was looking into it for 40 years. Had to move his family out the country because of the death threats and everything. That book exposes so much. If you get a chance, go to Amazon. It might cost $15. Get it. It's a long read, 700 pages. You need to read it. So when you hear something like two former White House chefs died by drowning, it raises the eyebrows. It raises the antennas, and it's a shame. We shouldn't be surprised. Anytime you can assassinate a president in broad daylight, shouldn't be surprised that two chefs died like this. Hopefully it's just a coincidence, or did they see something or hear something that they shouldn't have? This brush didn't really work. Good thing I had the sponge on standby, just in case. That brush wasn't what I thought it was. needed something much more stiff. You guys don't see it, but we're making progress. Be patient. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.